In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this pattern where you put the letter H all around the sides and the top and bottom faces. You get the checkerboard on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Check out my other videos showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4, and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern, you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube. So you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube. And you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to do this pattern, we need to use an algorithm, and the algorithm is UID R2 L2 UDI R2 L2 U2 D2. Let's do that then. Nice and slowly we go UID R2 L2 UDI R2 L2 U2 D2. And there we get H's all around the side faces, and the top and the bottom we get this checkerboard. So to undo this pattern and put us back to a solved Rubik's Cube, if we can use the same algorithm as we've just used, then I will teach you that, and we can on this one too. We want any of the letter H's as our front face and the checkerboard on the top and the bottom, and just repeat the same algorithm. So we go UID R2 L2 UDI R2 L2 U2 D2. And that puts us back to a solved Rubik's Cube. Hope it helped, guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos, and also if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.